Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I hope you had a great Thanksgiving and you're having a great weekend. I just want to take a second and thank everybody that's helped me with my show, all my subscribers, and if you can see up here, we're almost to that 10,000 subscribers goal, and we're very close to 3 million views, thanks to all you people who are watching my shows and those people that are subscribing. Also, for those people who have used my Amazon store, here it is right here, things that you can buy from Amazon through my Amazon store. And of course, once you go there, you're dealing with Amazon. So you've got the full backing of Amazon and their support and their good return policy. I don't stock anything. This is just a storefront that Amazon allows you to have. And I have things in here, most of which I have reviewed. And so you can go to my shows and see what I've said about most of these things. So thank everybody for using my Amazon store. If you go back and you look at one of my Amazon videos, like this one right here, for instance, and I'll stop it right away. Down below each video is a description, and if you do the show more, down here it says support my shows by using my new Amazon store, and here's the link. And that takes you to that page I just showed you. If you purchase something, either one of the things that's in my Amazon listing, it's not really a store by itself, just a listing of Amazon products, I get a small commission. Or if you've taken that link right here and go to my store, you're on Amazon and you can do what you normally would do on Amazon, which you can search for other items and buy other things, such as birdseed, and I get a small commission on it. Can you believe that? I guess I love that Amazon allows people to do that. That way I get a credit. I don't get money. I get a credit on Amazon. I use that credit to buy things to review. So that's how I'm able to purchase all these things to review for you. Plus, I get a lot of free stuff from sponsors. For instance, Iron Snow just recently had sent me a bunch of radios to review, and that worked out great. I've gotten several other Japanese companies that sent me stuff to review. MFJ have sent me stuff to review. I thank all those people for supporting my shows and helping me get to that 10,000 subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't used my store, please use my store. I am so thankful for my audience, for all the people that have helped me, because I'm no expert. And I'll discuss something and I don't know everything about it, and people have made comments answering questions that I couldn't answer. So that's what it's all about. So have a great day, and please subscribe. Bye-bye.